Hey, Steve Simard here. Hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving weekend. Just want to talk about renting. It feels easy until you do the math. Renting can seem less expensive and much simpler than buying a home. No repairs, no property taxes, no worrying about rates. You pay the bill and move on with your life. But here's what people don't realize. Renting doesn't move you toward financial stability. Homeowners build wealth simply by owning. Every payment builds equity, not someone else's portfolio. So if you're wondering whether buying makes sense for you in today's market, I'm always here to help you break it down. Break it all down. The numbers, the payments, options, first step strategy, and even financing through my partnership with Better Mortgage. Let's look at your path to home ownership. Message me or visit me at stevensimard.com. Text, call 860-919-0991. I am here to help you get going in the right direction.